Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are diving in to see the stock, which we might be pumping in the future, but or it is pouncing. It's almost at the bottom. It's called TEM stock. So this is a stock, not a coin. TEM is trading around $42, and you see on a monthly. This is a monthly chart you see over here. Stock reached all-time high, which is 104, and right now it's around $42. Why am I saying like maybe the stock should be the time to buy? So we are on a demanding zone. So the lowest of the demanding zone where you can put your stop loss will be $35, but probably it may be good to test around $36. For personally, I'm not waiting $36. What I'm waiting right now is just keep buying this here right now. So like this year is going to be the one of the best thing on the stock. We saw category starting selling Palantir and go to buy this AI stock and also a healthcare stock. We have this the first sell started from there. We are under that under that downtrend line right now. Here we have not broken down, but if you see this one is already making a double bottom, and if you choose to put it down here, so that's what I'm telling. Like here it was $36 is a demanding zone where it touches and pump back, but if you where we closes around $39. So this is very important line of insane on a weekly. So that's on a weekly, and when you come on a daily here also we still under that downtrend pressure which is already started. We see resistance will come to be $52 on an upper line here until in times 92 and 61. So it may be the stock spend some time here until this one. This is like as kind of the moving average. So this one you can buy on a breakout. So but if you want to DC, you can DC buying low here, and the stock maybe spend some few minutes doing like this. One is the time to break out. You're going to break out. So let's go here. Let's see. I want to see. Last week I saw category buying this medical stock, and let's go here. These are downtrends you see over here right now. It's just like it's around $32 in a year to date. 1 year is just like 9%. That's something it can drop another 9% to make that double bottom. And you see over your stock volume, which is close on Friday, it was 6 million, and the average in 30 days it was 4 million. Market cap 7 billion. Income in tax was negative 245 million. Revenue was 1.2. It's good. It has some revenue over there. And when you see on the floating shares 104, and then you see on beta. So this is very important here. So this is lowest beta because stock is coming down. So are you going to buy the stock? So for long time, this is the beta. Like this one is very good to buy. And you see the stock previous Q1 2025 repeat earnings this was increasing. Even it missed the it missed the earning per share, but you see it was moving upside. So this uptrend earning which is a solid, and when you go down here, so on the net revenue, so this is the next earnings come on May 12th. That's when I think the stock is going to pump after earnings, and they're expecting the stock make negative 2.6 0.26 negative a share. and revenue they are think about to make at least 345 million revenue. So let's see the last time, the revenue for last time, or this for a year 1.2, so accumulative, so it was making like around 4 million pi or 3 million pi, because we have in a year like four, three earnings in a year. So when you add that on, it's going to be like, it looks like it's going to make less. The stock is under technically sell, but a lot of analyzer rating is time to buy, and it has upside around 72 per share, which is 69%. Yeah, you see, the targeting, that's what I'm telling you, like, this is the time to buy. I told you around $36. The lowest will be negative 18%, and the upper side will be more than $100. And the why is very important, because right now Cathy Wood started buying. So always when Cathy Wood started buying something, it has time to go down. So it's always this year. If you see, think about the Tesla, Nvidia, 2022. She was buying a lot of Nvidia 2022 before Nvidia pumped on later 2023, 2024, 2025. So that's it. So you buy Nvidia around $10. Let's go here. So like here right now, you see they say Cathy will start buying Nvidia uh, uh, in major selling 2022, despite early adoption. Wood sold most of Nvidia position around November 2022, right before the mass AI-driven rally by ChatGPT. Re-entering position 2025 throughout the 20 Wood's been buying stock of Nvidia during the market dip, including the significant purchase on April, May, November 2025. So she missed the dip. Yeah, because when I was looking Nvidia 20, the stock to buy on 2022, Cathy Wood was buying a lot of Nvidia, and also 2024 she was talking about Palantir also. Let me look this one up here. Guys, don't forget about Microsoft. So Microsoft, people talking a lot. It's Microsoft is under value right now. That's why you can put on Microsoft also. Ifico is very strong also. We are PEC and CVS also. This way you can go to get this AI stock. So which is number one will be the Microsoft position. So I will position myself on Microsoft, and yeah, that's where I'm thinking. I'm doing Microsoft right now. Like every time I have some small money there, every day Microsoft every day, and I started now this year on 10, but Microsoft, I put a lot on Microsoft around this price. So this way I started Microsoft. So I started Microsoft at this dip here. Was watching, and I was watching this the Madison, which is we already there, and I don't think it will break here. So people they are thinking Microsoft to go 200 and 330, but I'm not waiting that. So we have these two strong support here and here. So remember from here, so this area to here is not a lot of percentage, but this is what I'm buying right now. Like it's below 200 moving average, and I know this is the big stock, which is going to be huge also. So Amazon is already hitting resistance. Put Amazon's here, hitting here, and I think it's the time to take profits. Okay, the red zone is going to be a resistance on a weekly. Maybe a lot of good news will come before, but it's going to be a strong resistance on Amazon tier. Nvidia, we are on the resistance too, which is Again, we have this breakout. I don't know if you see this breakout over here. We have been on this downtrends, and remember this week we closes. So what I'm waiting, if this week, today's Monday, if we can stay above that line on instant on a weekly, so that is very important. Yeah, so yeah, this is what you see. This I've already drawn that line here, but the real resistance will be 192. Okay, around that price. So thank you so much and have a nice day.